Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Well, what you're looking at right now is the Logitech wireless keyboard K340. I want to give a great thanks to Logitech for sending me this keyboard to review. Check out the link in the description. There's a link to their site and a link to the product itself. So this is a great keyboard for people that want something small, something light, something sturdy, and something that'll last. And of course something that is not really that expensive. Right now it's on the market for $50, and if you're watching this in Switzerland, also around 50 francs. And let's check it out. So I've taken the keyboard box out of its box, and we're gonna see what the keyboard looks like. Alright, so here's your keyboard. First off, you got a wireless USB jack for the keyboard. It's very small, so it won't stick out a lot in your computer, and it's not easy to damage when you stick it in your USB slot. Along with the keyboard, you get a USB extension cord right here, like this. So if you have a desktop PC and your PC is kind of far away, and it'd be pretty hard for the USB adapter to connect to your keyboard, you got this extension cord so that your USB adapter is a little bit closer to the keyboard, so you have a better connection. And this will help for speed and definitely better response. Underneath the keyboard there are some manuals there. So you got your Logitech wireless keyboard manual right here. It's got several different languages, so you shouldn't have a problem. And important information. Let's put that to the side. Now what you're mainly interested in is the keyboard itself. So here's your keyboard. It's actually a great size for people that want a keyboard for their laptop. Let's compare the size to my laptop. So this is my 15-inch laptop. It's an Asus K340 ID, and it's got the full keyboard here. So let's check out the size comparison. So this keyboard is a little bit wider here than my 15-inch laptop. So let's say the keyboard is 16 inches long, but it has the full dial pad and the keyboard, of course. Let's look at some of the features on it. Right here you have a power on, power off switch to save battery. Right here you get a Logitech logo, and here are all your buttons. Underneath, right here you get your batteries, 2 batteries, and right here is where you can put your USB adapter. Just slide it in right here, like that. And very easy to take back out again. So that's that. Let's put this back on. Here is so you have an idea of what the USB adapter looks like when you plug it into your USB port on my laptop. There you go. It's right there. It doesn't hang out at all, so it definitely won't get stuck anywhere or break or anything. Now let's talk about sounds. It's not noisy at all, actually. It's not really noisy, and the keys are really easy to push, so when you're typing, it's very practical to use. It's not a hard to use keyboard or anything. So yeah, that's definitely great. The buttons aren't too small for your fingers. My fingers fit on fine. So definitely not an issue here. And also the bottom has rubber here, 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 and here. So it's not slippery at all. Let's look at the size. It's not very fat, very thin. Here's the other side. Not too fat either. So definitely practical to carry around in your laptop bag or whatever you have. So let's look at sounds and buttons and build quality. First off, it does look great. It has a nice gloss to it, and also it's a really sturdy build. Now you get a bunch of key functions for you get your home, you get your mail, a search, calculator, music, back, play, pause, forward, and you got a mute, audio down, audio up, power off your PC. Here's your FM switch to power the functions. Now underneath the keys you get red. There's red behind the keys. I don't know if you can see that very well on the camera, but it's red. So it looks really cool. It's like this kind of red, just underneath the keys. When the keyboard is on, you get a yellow light here, right there. And when your caps lock's on, there's also a light on the caps lock button right there. I had a lot of fun with this, and I definitely recommend you guys if you're looking for a keyboard around $50 or 50 francs, and it's a great buy. Thanks a lot YouTube for watching my video on the K340 keyboard. Check in the link in the description and subscribe, and definitely check out Logitech's site. I'll have a link to their site and a link to their product. See you guys later.